Hi, I'm Joe Marie, a wildlife artist from Zululand, South Africa. I will never forget the moment the King of Chobe appeared. It was the second last day of our 10-day Chobe, Botswana camping trip. Ilse and I had been waiting patiently since early morning at one of the Chobe waterholes. The air was still. The animals came and went. Then, at exactly midday, the entire bush went dead silent. Every animal froze, locking their eyes onto a single point in the bush. And suddenly, out of nowhere, he appeared. He didn't just walk, he commanded the space. His massive golden mane caught the midday sun as he approached the water with pure, terrifying grace. For a split second, he looked directly at me. My heart hammered in my chest as I grabbed my camera and managed to get only a couple of images, capturing the raw power of his gaze before he lowered his head to drink. You could literally hear the powerful gulps echoing across the water. And just like that, he vanished back into the bush. When I got home, I just knew I had to paint him. This is the King of Chobe.